Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink and Main. I have the Catitude stamp set creating this really sweet, fun, easy card. I hope you enjoy it. It has a little bit of wobble action. We are going to begin using the Catitude stamp set with the coordinating dies. These little cats are full of attitude. I love it. I'm going to begin by stamping the sentiment in Something Borrowed, which is a darker blue. And then I have put all the different cats on acrylic blocks. I'm going to randomly stamp my pre-cut card base with those cats, trying to leave minimal spacing in between them. I'm going to stamp that heart, including in that stamp set. Next, I'm going to be using this stamp set Pattern Maker, also from the July 2018 release. I have placed this on my Misty, and I'm going to stamp the borders of my actual card base. I'm using the same color of blue that I used for the cats. Once we've stamped that card base, we are going to place the kitty cardstock we stamped earlier, put some adhesive and mat it over that gorgeous pattern. Next, on some Copic marker-friendly paper, we are going to stamp one of the kitties that we did not use from the set, using E11 for our lightest shade, E13 for our medium shade, and then for the tail and the little accents, the belly and some of the paws, we're going to use an additional color, which is E57, just to make it a little darker. I'm going to be using that same trio, E57, E13, and E11 for the tail and the paws and the belly. We are going to give this kitty some eyeshadow. We're using that blue so it coordinates nicely with our paper. Once we ran our kitty with the coordinating die cut, we are going to place a wobble action plastic thingy onto the back of the kitty. To finish up, we're going to add some pretty pink posh jewels that match really nicely with that kitty eyeshadow and the gorgeous blue ink color that we've used. And that does it for this wobble action Catitude card, full of attitude. It is ready to be mailed out. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this a thumbs up, sweet comment below, and come back to the Pink and Main YouTube channel for more. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.